Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel at a project pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? So hopefully friends you will be fine. You are spending good and lavish life. In this channel I introduce new and great ideas which are completely different to each other. So guys, let's come. I shared with you beautiful and unique ideas. Beautiful Christmas trees ideas in this video I shared with you, and hopefully you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video because it's are very beautiful. Dr. Rihanna Yasmin. In this video I shared with you beautiful and lavish design ideas are completely different to each other. So friend, I hope you will enjoy my seeing ideas because it's are completely boundable and different to each other. Let's come and share with you. These are very beautiful designs and are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will gain different knowledge criteria. These are very beautiful and unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully you will enjoy my ideas that are completely different to each other. So friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel at a project pattern, and these ideas are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. I hope you will be gain knowledge watching my videos because it's are different and unique. I hope you like my ideas beautiful trees design because it's are very beautiful to each other, and hopefully you will enjoy my ideas that are completely boundables and are different to each other. Mega frivolous ideas in this video I shared. So friend, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and these are very unique and eligible ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, I hope you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. And friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know.